In this video, I'm going to show you how to find yourself and your friends on Steam in just a few simple steps. If you've ever opened Steam and wondered where your profile is or how to quickly locate a friend, this guide will make it easy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to view your own profile and use the Steam friend search to find someone fast. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get into it. First, open Steam Community in your browser and log in with your Steam account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Steam Community website where your profile and friends options are easy to access. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do that first so you can follow along without any issues. Now look at the top right corner of the page and click your username. This is the quickest way to access your personal Steam options. After you click your username, a menu will appear. From that menu, select View My Profile. This will take you directly to your Steam profile page, where you can see your account details, profile items, badges, and activity. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right side of the screen. You should see a Friends section there. Click Friends to open your Friends area. This is where Steam keeps your friend list and the search options, so if you want to find a specific person, this is the place you need to be. On the Friends page, look toward the top right area. You'll see a Search Friends bar. Click inside that search bar and type your friend's Steam name. Make sure you spell it as accurately as possible because Steam names can be very similar. After typing the name, press enter to search. Steam will now show matching results. From there, click your friend's profile from the list. If they use a common name, you may need to look carefully through the results to find the correct person. Once you open their profile, you can confirm that you found the right friend and then send a message, add them, or simply view their profile. If you are trying to find yourself on Steam, the same steps apply. Open your profile from the top right menu, then view your own profile page. This lets you see exactly how your profile looks to other people and helps you confirm your Steam identity and profile settings. That's it. Now you know how to find yourself and friends on Steam the easy way. No complicated steps, no confusion, just a simple process you can repeat anytime you need it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more Steam tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.